Hello everyone. SSC GD 2025 second shift analysis February 19. Which festival is celebrated by the Monpa tribes as a Tibetan New Year? मोनपा जनजाति द्वारा तिब्बती नववर्ष के रूप में कौन सा त्योहार मनाया जाता है? The answer for this question is लोसार फेस्टिवल. लोसार त्योहार मनाया जाता है. The Monpa tribe celebrated the Losar festival, which is a Tibetan New Year. This festival is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and Ladakh. According to the 2011 census, which Indian state has the lowest female literacy rate? 2011 की जनगणना के अनुसार भारत में सबसे कम महिला साक्षरता दर किस राज्य में है? The answer for this question is बिहार. In 2011, the female literacy rate in Bihar is 51.5%, while the male literacy rate is 71.2%. The literacy rate for all India was 72.98% in 2011. It is very important question. The Pune Pact of 1932 was signed between whom? The Pune समझौता किन के बीच हुआ था? The answer for this question is महात्मा गांधी and डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर. महात्मा गांधी जी और डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर पूना समझौता 1932 में हुआ था. How many balls are bowled in a standard over in a cricket? क्रिकेट में एक ओवर में मानक रूप से कितनी गेंदें फेंकी जाती है? The answer for this question is 6 balls, 6 गेंदें. Which drainage pattern is commonly seen in the northern India? उत्तरी भारत में सामान्य कौन सा अपवहन प्रतिरूप देखा जाता है? The answer for this question is dendritic pattern. The drainage pattern commonly seen in the northern India is dendritic pattern, where the rivers branch out like the branches of the tree, with example including the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra rivers flowing through the northern plains. Who was appointed as the Special Director General SDG of Jammu and Kashmir Police in August 2024? अगस्त 2024 में जम्मू और कश्मीर पुलिस के विशेष महानिदेशक एसडीजी के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया था? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज नलिन प्रभात. Who has the power of the dissolve to state legislative assembly under articles 174 2b of the Indian Constitution? भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 174 2b के तहत राज्य विधानसभा मांग करने के लिए शक्ति किसके पास होती है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज गवर्नर. राज्यपाल के क्या शक्ति होती है? The governor of the state has the power to dissolve the state of legislative assembly. This power is granted under the article 174 2b of the Constitution of India. If bromine and iodine are the part of a Dobberiner triad, which element completes the triad? यदि ब्रोमीन और आयोडीन डोबेरिनियर चित्र का हिस्सा है तो तीसरा तत्व का कौन सा होगा? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लोरीन. Dobberiner triads are a group of 3 elements with similar chemical properties. The German chemist Johann Wolfgang Dobberiner 1780 to 1849 discovered that these triads between 1870 and 1829. Xerothalamia is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Xerothalamia किस विटामिन की कमी के कारण होता है? The answer for this question is vitamin A. Xerothalamia is a clinical sign of vitamin A deficiency. It's a condition that causes the eyes to dry out and thicken and can lead to blindness, symptoms, night blindness, or difficulty seeing in low light. How many fundamental duties were originally included in the Indian Constitution by the 42 Amendment? 42 के संशोधन द्वारा भारतीय संविधान में मूल रूप से कितने मौलिक कर्तव्य शामिल किए गए थे? The answer for this question is 10 fundamental duties were originally included in the Indian Constitution by the 42 Amendment. According to the 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution, there are the 10 fundamental duties for the citizens of India. However, the 86th Amendment later added the 11th fundamental duty, bringing the total to 11. Key points about the fundamental duties. Article 51A. The fundamental duties are mentioned in the Article 51A of the Indian Constitution. It is very important. Next question. What was the main objective of the India's 12th five-year plan 2012 to 2017? भारत की 12वीं पंचवार्षिक योजना 2012 to 2020 का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या था? The answer for this question is faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. तेज, स्थायी और अधिक समावेशी विकास. The main objective of the 12th five-year plan of India was to achieve faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. The plan was in effect from the April 1, 2012 to 2017. Which is the most practiced religion in Nepal? नेपाल में सबसे अधिक प्रचलित धर्म कौन सा है? The answer for this question is Hinduism. हिंदू धर्म है. Hinduism is the most practiced religion in Nepal with the 81.2% of the population identified as Hindu. Other religions in Nepal, Buddhism 8.2% of the population identified as Buddhist. Islam 5.1% of the population identified as Muslim with the majority identified as Sunnis. Bharati Shivaji is an Indian classical dancer associated with which classical dance form? भारती शिवाजी किस भारतीय शास्त्रीय नृत्य शैली से संबंधित है? The answer for this question is मोहिनीअट्टम. Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma is associated with which घराना of the Indian classical music? पंडित रतन मोहन शर्मा भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत के किस घराने से संबंधित है? The answer for this question is मेवाटी घराना. Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma is a member of the Mewati Gharana of the Indian classical music. The Mewati Gharana is known for its distinctive style of singing, especially in the genre of Tharana. Where and when did the first Paralympic Games held? पहली पैरालंपिक खेल कब और कहां आयोजित किया गए थे? The answer for this question is Rome, Italy, 1960 to 1960. रोम इटली में फर्स्ट पैरालंपिक गेम्स आयोजित किया गया था. The first Paralympic Games were held in Rome, Italy in 1960. These games were originally called the Stoke Mandeville Games. Which country did Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit on July 8, 2024? प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने जुलाई 8, 2024 को किस देश का दौरा किया था? The answer for this question is रूस, रशिया. हिंदी. यमुना के पर्यायवाची शब्द जमुना, सूर्यसुता, कृष्णा, अर्कजा, रवितनया, अर्कसुता, भानुजा, कालगंगा, तरणी तनुजा. ज्योत्सना शब्द का कई पर्यायवाची शब्द है चांदनी, चंद्रिका, चंद्रप्रभा, कौमुदी, उजियारी. चिकना गड़ा होना मुहर का जिसका मतलब है निर्लज होना या बेशर्म होना. इसका मतलब है कि किसी व्यक्ति पर आलोचना या बर्दाश्त का कोई असर नहीं होता. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.